These are the organelles which housing the cells: nucleus, mitochondria, ribosome, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, lysosomes, and cytoskeleton. Nucleus is brain of the cells. It's bordered by a porous membrane, nuclear envelope. It contains thin fibers of DNA and protein called a chromatin. It has a rod-shaped chromosomes, which contain a small round nucleolus, which produce ribosomal RNA and makes ribosomes. These are mitochondria. It is known as the powerhouse. The structure is membranous, a sausage shape, and have the structure called crista. The crista structure is as such because it increases the surface area. Mitochondria will ensure that the chemical energy is made available in the cells in the form of ATP. The breakdown of ATP will release energy. Synthesis of ATP is the most efficient at the final stage of aerobic respiration because this produce and process require oxygen. Mitochondria is known as powerhouse. The structure is membranous, a sausage shape, and a structure called crista. Crista structure is as such because it increases the surface area. Mitochondria will ensure that the chemical energy is made available in the cells in the form of ATP. The breakdown of ATP will release energy. Synthesis of ATP is the most efficient at the final stage of aerobic respiration because this process requires oxygen. Did you know that the greatest number of mitochondria are found in the liver, muscle, and spermatozoa? Next organelles are ribosome. It is a small non-membrane bound organelles. It contains of two subunits, the small subunit and the large one. This organelle involved during the protein synthesis. It becomes as a protein factory of the cells. You can find ribosome attached to the endoplasmic reticulum and sometimes free floating from the endoplasmic reticulum. This is endoplasmic reticulum. It has two types, the smooth endoplasmic reticulum and the rough endoplasmic reticulum. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum is ribosome-free, while the rough one, it contains of the attached ribosome. Golgi apparatus is a series of flattened sacs that modifies package, stores, and transport materials out of the cell. It works closely with the ER, endoplasmic reticulum, and ribosome. This is lysosome. This is lysosome. It is responsible to recycle any cellular debris. It contains a variety of enzymes which are responsible to digest food particles. Centriole is a pair of cylindrical organelles which always located near to the nucleus. It is responsible in the development of spindle fibers during the cell division. Cytoskeleton. Cytoskeleton gives the shapes a shape. It acts as a framework of the cell. It contains a small Cytoskeleton gives the cells a shape. It acts as a framework of the cell. It contains a small microfilaments and a larger microtubules. They support the cell, giving it a shape and help with the movements of the organelles. The last part of the cells is cytoplasm. Cytosol is a liquid portion of the cell. When it contains of organelles, it's called a cytoplasm. The main functions of cytoplasm is to help to transport metabolites from the site of production to the site of utilization.